AI is transforming finance and investing in 2025 by automating critical tasks: trading, portfolio optimization, risk analysis, and personal finance management, giving both retail and institutional investors smarter tools and a competitive edge. What is AI in finance and investing? AI trading bots analyze massive real-time market data to execute trades, identify profitable opportunities, and minimize delays. These bots use machine learning and predictive analytics to process historical and live information, quickly adapting to fluctuations. Portfolio optimization tools leverage advanced algorithms to craft tailored investment strategies, rebalance holdings automatically, and maximize returns while managing risk. They can analyze global news, macro trends, and sentiment for deeper insight into market signals. Risk analysis models use quantitative and qualitative data to measure portfolio exposure to market turbulence, predict downturns, and suggest diversification moves. Sentiment analysis and reinforcement learning are increasingly used to anticipate volatility and guide portfolio updates. Personal finance management apps powered by AI now deliver individualized advice, track spending, recommend savings plans, and even detect fraud through anomaly detection in transactions. Key features and benefits: accuracy and speed. AI's ability to continuously monitor, interpret, and act on real-time data helps investors capture opportunities faster and reduce human bias. Automation. Routine activities, analysis, reporting, rebalancing, are automated, freeing up analysts and investors for strategic, creative decisions. Personalization. AI tailors investment portfolios and strategies to unique goals, risk tolerance, and financial situations of each investor. Scalability. Institutional investors use scalable AI solutions to optimize large portfolios, enhance diversification, and keep pace with fast-moving markets. Risk control. Advanced analytics dramatically improve risk detection and management, making portfolios resilient even in volatile conditions. 2025 industry adoption and trends. 90% of investment managers now use or plan to use AI. Robo-advisors and quant funds can outperform traditional strategies. AI-enabled tools routinely scan social media, news, and economic reports for fresh trading signals. Automated fraud detection and predictive risk analytics protect assets and improve investor confidence.